Hi there guys, thanks again for joining me. I believe this is going to be part one of the video series on the little boy in a bunny costume rock painting tutorial. I realized when I was making this web page that I did not actually show you how I found the picture and printed it out. So I found this picture on Pinterest. This is a great method to use when you want to transfer pretty much anything or print out anything on your printer without saving it as a JPEG on your computer, because that can get a little complicated. So this is a great method to use if you want to just download it into a word processing document, and you can pretty much resize it to anything that fits on a piece of 8x10 computer paper. So what I did was I just found my image in Pinterest, and then I right-clicked on the picture and I selected copy image, and then I went down to my word processing document, which I had open, have a blank word processing document open, and then I simply just hit paste, and there's my picture. And now I can come up here and I can resize it. If I had a smaller rock, you just grab the corners. You probably know how to do this, but I'm just showing you real time. You know, you can make it any size you want. And if you wanted to put it on a rock and you don't know how big you want to put it, just hold the rock if you can up to the picture itself, because it's pretty much real size. So this could be a little bit bigger if I was going to use this rock. But anyway. And then up here you can go into format. Whatever program you're using probably has a format key, and you can format the picture. You can change the brightness on the picture. You can make it brighter, darker. I'd go for a little bit darker and more contrast, because that'll put more ink to it and make it brighter on the rock when you transfer it. And then over here, a simple way to print out a mirror image is just go into rotate and flip it horizontally, and you get the complete opposite picture. This way you don't have to worry about it in your print commands. You could also do a mirror image print when you print it, but that could be a little complicated. So from there, all I'm going to do is go into my print command, select print, go into properties, make sure it's on high quality, which it is, hit OK, and hit OK again. And that's it. Basically, that's how you print out any picture that you can use from the computer. And you can save pretty much any picture you want that you find on Pinterest or other sites, and use it to embellish a rock, transfer it onto a rock, which I'll include links in the description box or on the web page where you found this. I'm going to go pick up my picture now. I'm not going to show you that part. It's out in the hallway, my printer. But thanks again for joining me. If you liked the video, please give it a like or a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more videos on rock painting and other crafts. Thanks again. Take care.